This tiny box supercharges your old Mac. Sonnet eGPU RX 5500 XT puck. Worth it in 2025? Ever feel like your Mac is gasping for breath every time you open Final Cut, Photoshop, or Blender? You're not alone. If you've got an older Intel-based Mac, you know the pain, laggy timelines, choppy previews, and that frustrating spinning beachball of doom. Creative energy? Crushed. You try to power through, but the GPU inside your machine was never built for serious workloads. It's like trying to run a marathon in flip-flops. Every export becomes a gamble, every render a mini existential crisis. You know there's more power out there, but upgrading your entire system? That's a wallet-shattering nightmare. Or is it? Let's be real. This performance bottleneck is killing your momentum. You're juggling clients, side projects, school deadlines, or just trying to make your YouTube videos look half as cool as your vision. But that weak GPU is like a digital handbrake. Deadlines pile up, effects glitch out, and even basic editing feels like rowing uphill with a spoon. You shouldn't need to remortgage your life for a Mac Studio just to run DaVinci Resolve. And don't even mention DIY eGPU setups, they're more complicated than your last situationship. You're not asking for much, just something that works, without frying your sanity. Cue the tiny but mighty Sonnet eGPU Breakaway puck RX 5500 XT. It's the cheat code for Mac users stuck in the GPU slow lane. This little box, barely bigger than a grilled cheese, delivers up to 300% more graphics power for creative pros, streamers, and multi-display maniacs alike. Built for Intel-based Macs with Thunderbolt 3, it transforms your sluggish laptop into a creative powerhouse in seconds. Plug it in. Watch your render time shrink. Feel your apps finally breathe. With support for up to 3 4K displays, even Apple's 6K Pro Display XDR, it's your one-stop graphics and docking solution, no tech degree required. And it doesn't stop there. The Breakaway puck is also a charging dock, 60-watt, USB hub, and portable workstation you can literally toss in your backpack. No more cable jungles. No more overheating laptops begging for mercy. And let's not forget, you're getting desktop-grade GPU performance without losing your MacBook's soul or desk space. This eGPU isn't for gamers, it's for creators, editors, designers, and dreamers who need reliable, repeatable, ridiculously efficient performance. You want simplicity? You got it. Want power? It's plugged in. Click play to see how this puck punches way above its size class. Time's ticking, this puck doesn't sit on shelves long. Between the tech reviews, Reddit hype, and I wish I'd bought it sooner stories, the Sonnet RX 5500 XT puck is flying. Not compatible with M1/M2 Macs? Sure, but that's the point. This was made just for Intel Mac creatives stuck in performance purgatory. Skip the buyer's remorse, Sonnet's been delivering pro-grade gear for years, and this one's Thunderbolt certified to keep your workflow smoother than your last latte. Don't wait. Secure yours now. Join the thousands who finally upgraded without overhauling their Mac. Hit that buy now button and unleash the beast inside your machine today.